Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Recreated. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. And I hope you're doing great today. So today, get ready. We have a spicy chicken sandwich. So excited. This is like a cross between Chick-fil-A and Popeyes. It's like the Chick-fil-A chicken and then the spicy mayo that Popeyes uses. And you put it together and it's just so good. Honestly, it's like even better. So with this sandwich, you can add more to it. Like I personally like it pretty plain with just like the pickles and the spicy mayo, but you can definitely add like bacon, cheese, lettuce, tomato. Why am I like this? Tomato. I mean, I don't know, could be a thing, right? Hi. I would like some tomato, please. Thanks. Anyway, or you can make it super spicier than what I'm gonna make and add more cayenne to the flour mixture, or even throw in some pepper flakes, red pepper flakes. Can I screw up any more words? I'm not doing this intro over, not doing it. Okay, so, or leave it out altogether and not have a spicy sandwich. So either way, it's gonna be delicious. Let's get started. I'm super excited. So before I fumble on more words, let me stop here and let's go. Okay, so first things first is we're gonna take a chicken breast and you know what, actually, let me cut it really quick. So what I do, because they're really usually pretty big, is I cut it in half, try to do it like straight down the middle. And then I will pound it out, because otherwise the chicken will get, it'll get like puff up and get too thick, and it's not a good sandwich that way. You want it, you know, thick but not too thick as far as like a chicken goes. So what I'm gonna do is put some more plastic over here and I'm gonna pound it down so it's thinner, and then we will marinate it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I pounded it out, and this is ideally what I want it to look like. This one kind of came out more long, so I'd probably cut this and so I can put it on the bun. And it's just me and the husband, so I'm going to just make two. So let's go ahead and marinate it. So what we're gonna do is just take a gallon size bag, and what I'm gonna do is take some pickle juice actually, and just pour maybe like 1/4 of a cup of juice in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then we are just going to put the chicken in the juice, and we're gonna marinate it for about at least an hour. And it doesn't taste like pickles. So in case anyone's wondering, it won't taste like pickles. It just does something amazing to it. So like that. There you guys go. So that's it. So we're gonna marinate it for about an hour, and then we will put together the wet mixture and the dry mixture before we fry it up. All right, I'll be back. All right, so let's get the flour mixture going. So we're only doing, well, basically really only one chicken breast because I cut it in half. So just gonna do a 1/2 cup of flour, and then a 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and then we'll do a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to do like about a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I do throw in a little bit of accent. You don't have to, totally don't have to. I did like a 1/2 teaspoon. So that's our mixture. And now this is where you can definitely make it more spicy, or just not add the spice at all. Because I also put spicy mayo on my sandwich too. So I'm just gonna put mayo with some cayenne pepper. in it. That's my spicy mayo. So anyway, all right, so we have that done, and now we're just going to do the wet mixture. And we're just going to take an egg, and then about a half a cup of milk. Probably not even that much, actually. We're just going to whisk that together. And we'll take the chicken out, we'll dip it in here, and then in the flour mixture, and then we'll fry it up. I'll be back. Okay, and I can't believe I almost forgot to tell you guys this. The most important secret ingredient, Chick-fil-A, is powdered sugar. So I'm putting 1/4 cup of powdered sugar in my mixture. That's their secret ingredient. All right. Okay, you guys, so just for the mayo, I'll just do like maybe a couple tablespoons just to have it, some extra if I need it. And then I'm just going to do, it's gonna be pretty spicy, tablespoon, or a teaspoon, sorry. Ooh, that would be so spicy. So I have about 2 tablespoons of mayo here, and then I added a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So you can see that's gonna be pretty spicy, but that's what I like. There's that. Okay, and so this sandwich calls for a nice brioche bun, and I mean, if you don't have it, you know, whatever bun you want to use, you can use, but this is really good with this sandwich. And so what I do, I'm just gonna take a couple of them out, I'm gonna lightly butter the insides and then toast them in the oven for a few minutes, and that's how I like to do it. Okay, so we're just gonna take 1 chicken breast. I'm just doing 1 at a time since I'm only doing 2. Then we're gonna stick it in the flour mixture. Just get it nice and covered. Coat it really good, and then just shake off any excess. Obviously, I like to make sure it's coated. Can you tell? All right, and just put it in slowly. There we go. So we're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes. Okay, so now to build it. I'm just gonna put a little mayo, spicy mayo on mine. And then add some pickles. I like lots of pickles. All right. And we're just gonna take our amazing chicken. It's so good, you guys. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and top this with more spicy mayo. And that's it. That's how I like mine. All right, you guys, there it is. So good. Try it. It's delicious. All right, bye.